The principle of natural justice. Natural justice applies comprehensively to administrative discretion. Its goal is to prevent mischief and unfairness towards the resident with managing authorities. The principle of natural justice in India are those regulations made by the court as being the least protection of the process right against the arbitrary policy. That judicial quasi-judicial principle of natural justice in administrative law power may adopt while making an order working on those rights. The Committee on Ministers Power of Frank Committee has laid down the following norms of natural justice. No one shall determine in his own cause. Second, making accessible a copy of the statutory report. Third, no one should be convicted without a hearing. 4. A party has the right to know all the causes of the decision. Primal social, economic, and political justice, liberty of belief, thoughts, worship, and equality of opportunity and status. Article 14. Equal protection of the law for all citizens of India and equality before law. Article 21. Right to liberty and life. Article 22. Provision of fair hearing for an arrested person. Article 39A. Free legal services for disabled and indigent people. Article 311. Constitutional protection for civil servants. Article 32, 136 and 226. Constitutional solution for violations of fundamental rights. Rule of law. Right to constitutional remedies. Right to equality. Article 14, 18. 2. Principle of natural justice. These are mainly 2 principles of natural justice. 3 are 2. Nemo judex in causa sua. No one should be made a judge in his own cause, and the rule against base. Audi ultram partem means to hear the other party, or no one should be condemned unheard.